Okay, that was a heavy load, but we made it up the hill. I think you can see why I'm calling this compost lasagna. It's basically layered, brown and green. The idea is it's going to save me the initial mixing. As I unload it, it's going to get mixed. There's going to be no way to keep that stuff separate and layered. So it'll end up in a pile that we can just let sit, and in 5 or 6 weeks we'll do that first mixing. But this should be a pretty decent mixing as it unloads. Let's see if the idea works. I think that did a pretty good job of mixing, as you can tell. Anytime you use grass clippings in a compost pile, the most important thing is don't let them clump together, because then you're going to get that white mold that develops and they don't break down. So I think we were able to do that here. Tons of green, tons of brown, pretty well mixed. They're calling for about an inch of rain tonight, which is going to wet all this down. Let me tell you, this pile is going to get hot hot. In about 3 days, you will not be able to stick your hand down there in the middle of it. It's going to be scorching. So that's a pretty good pile. I'm happy with it. And that trailer worked out fine for layering it like that. All right, the job's not done until you put everything away. So I'm going to take this down, put the tools away, and I'll see you tomorrow on day 26.